What is initial margin? Initial margin refers to the initial deposit required when an investor or a trader opens a position into a derivative contract and the amount of the percentage of the nominal contract value. Initial margin is heavily used in derivatives like futures and options. Now, what is the purpose of initial margin? The primary reason why initial margin is needed is to initiate the leverage trading process, enabling the opening of larger position using maximum capital from the investor. In addition, it also acts as a collateral to the brokerage firms, and the traders benefit by having an increased purchasing power since they can buy more securities which otherwise won't be affordable. There are two types of initial margin. Number one, span margin. It keeps fluctuating and it is not fixed. Exposure margin, it is static or fixed amount.